In the kitchen again with another one with Chef Ricardo, guys. This one is a different recipe. Yes, detoxify the body. All right, I'll just drink up some bits and pieces. Detoxify the body with natural ingredients at home, especially in this kind of time of the year. A lot of people intend to do these things. I'm encouraging you to do this at home 100%. All right, we're gonna be using some natural recipes, ingredients to make this detoxify the body with some pineapple, cucumber, ginger, lemon, you know it, and you know, do this one. It's a very healthy recipe and I encourage you to do this at home when you have some time to get rid of. A lot of people say, oh, Chef Ricardo, we can see your tummy, but you know what I mean, yeah, my tummy, I have a flat tummy, you know what I mean. Lots of people might ask, people see me every day and them asking me what I've been doing at home. But what I do is eat healthy, look after yourself, make your skin look nice, and you know what I mean, and you can see the difference when you're looking after yourself at home. Anyway, get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Big up on yourself, beautiful people, and whatever you do, we catch you with the next one. We got spinach, we got celery, pineapple, cucumber, green apple, ginger, lemon. Let's move this from here and let's go right over here. So we're gonna get our blender, all right, just like that, people. So you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about right here. Hope you guys can see everything clear and nice. I just did that video we're talking about healthy recipes and bits and pieces. So what we're going to do, we're going to get some celery, a nice good handful of celery, all right, into the blender like that, and then let's put a slice of that lemon inside of it. I like to use the lemon with the skin because it's very powerful. That's the lemon. We got cucumber and we got pineapple, which we're going to be using. We got green apple and we got fresh ginger, which we're going to also use. All right, let's put the rest of the ingredients right into it. This one is also very good for detoxify the body. All right, now we're going to put some spinach inside of it because spinach is very good, guys. All right, yeah. The spinach is amazing. So what we're going to do, we're going to add some water. All right, roughly 1 cup of water is enough inside of it. All right, yeah. And we're just gonna get our blender lid, and it's gonna be looking like this. You can put honey inside of it if you like to, but I'm just gonna leave it naturally as it is right there, you know. Good vibes, but it's just to give you people a little bit of things at home to think about and can do as the day goes on. You get what I mean? All right, let's blend up this and get yourself a copy of my brand new book. Yeah, pour it off. Just like that. So you can see that is a lot right there going on, you know. But I'm going to tell you the honest truth. This is amazing to drink at home. All right, you don't have to throw away this. You can do a lot of things with it. One day I need to do a video to show you what you can do with it at home. You can also drink it naturally like this, but it's going to be really heavy and it's going to be really strong. So some of it go through my strainer, so that's why I like to use the strainer. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Now this, you can have it. All right, next time we will talk about that, but look at that. That is amazing, guys. All right. Yeah. That is lovely. So those are things that Chef Ricardo talking about every day. All right. Look at that. Lovely, nice, and delicious. Yeah. Pour it out. All right. Yeah. Slice of a lemon inside of it like this. Good vibes. So you can see the reason why I like to share with the audience a beautiful recipe where you guys will love to make at home. So now, if you like this one, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, because we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas for you to make at home. Not only that, neither, remember you can also get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. Amazing recipe. All right, a good vibes, people. So I love to give you new ideas and things for you to make at home. Look at that, fantastic.